Hello guys, what's up? My name is ADMUTO and you are welcome to my channel. And in this video, I will talk about Android. If you like Android, please subscribe to my channel. It's for free, straight to the point. By the way, let's get started. So guys, right now I will show it to you how you can make your Android faster on MIUI. In the first step, you will open your settings and you will click on About Phone, and then you will click All Specs. Here on MIUI version, you will click 7 times and then will appear to you the message, "You are now a developer." In my case, no need, because I already turned on the developer option. And now you'll go back and back again. Here you will scroll down until additional settings. Here you click and open this screen, and one more time you will scroll down until developer options, and you click on developer options. You will scroll down until this part of the screen. Here in the window animation scale, you will let animation off. Here in the transition animation scale, you will let animation off. And here in animator duration scale, you will let animation scale 0.5x. You can let animation off, but in 0.5 times. It's beautiful. Now you can close all, and now your cell phone is faster.